Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can put your iPhone into DFU mode, that's device firmware update mode. It's super useful if you need to restore iOS, fix serious issues, or even downgrade. Let's jump right in. So for that, first of all, you have to plug your iPhone into a Mac or Windows PC using a USB or Lightning cable. Just make sure Finder is open on Mac or iTunes is open if you're on Windows. After that, you need to go ahead and simply press the volume up button once, press and release the volume down button once, and press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. While still holding the side button, press and hold the volume button for about 5 seconds and then release the side button, but keep holding volume down for another 5 to 10 seconds. If your screen stays completely black and your computer detects the iPhone, you have successfully entered the DFU mode. To exit DFU mode, just force restart your iPhone. Quickly press volume up button once, volume down button once, and then simply hold the side button until the logo appears. That's it. That is simply how you can enter and exit DFU mode on iPhone. Be careful though. Restoring in DFU mode will erase everything, so only use it when it's necessary. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.